Let's go! So this is the main face. Second face, which we replace with main face. Select face with lasso tool. Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Select the second face also with feather 50 or more, it's yours choice. For special paste, Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Now click the face which you want to replace. Click the image and go in Adjustment. Click Match Color option. Select the source pic which you want to replace face. Setting is your choice. Delete this layer. Copy this layer and it's almost done. And paste here easy. Ctrl plus T for adjust face. Adjust face. Select history brush tool. It's your choice. You also use eraser tool also. You use this tool like this way, it's very easy. This tool cover all the edges. Make layer 1 copy, Ctrl plus J, Ctrl plus E, merge layer. Mixing is done now. We use blur tool for smooth skin, it's your choice. Click camera raw filter for adjust pic. It's done. You will see the result. I adjust pics first. Like and subscribe my channel.